Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today's recipe is going to be okra soup, and here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this okra soup. I have my okra, onion, tomato, vegetable oil, and my seasoning. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to boil my meat. Here is the meat I already boiled. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of vegetable oil in the pot, and I start by frying my onion. After the onion is ready, you can see I'll just add my tomato into it and keep frying. I'll just continue frying my tomato until it shrinks. As you can see, the tomato is already ready. What I'm going to be adding now is the meat and the stock that I showed you earlier. I'll stir, then I add my seasoning and cover it to steam for a few minutes. Yeah, my okra is ready. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm going to be eating this okra with some grease, or if you have pounded yam, you can as well use it, or you have gari, can use it to eat your okra soup with. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.